Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily fix your phone when you have forgotten your lock screen password. Of course, we're talking about OPPO Reno 15. So, once you have forgotten your lock screen password, you can't do anything. You can't unlock your device via fingerprint or face unlock, or even here the lock screen password. So what to do now? Actually, when we turn off our device with the power up and power, we don't need to have our lock screen. So at first, power off your device. And now, the only method to have your phone working is to factory reset it. And how to factory reset my phone when I can't unlock it? It's easy, but you have to remember that you will lose all your data when it's not backed up. So you will lose all your photos, all your videos, text messages, etc., etc. Of course, if you have it saved on some cloud, you will have this data. So to do a factory reset, at first hold the volume down and power, and when you see the OPPO logo, lift both fingers. Now, as I can see, we have a menu where we can select our language. I will select English. Power button to confirm and volume down, volume up to move around menu. Click power button to format data, rewrite this verification code and format your phone. Then you'll be rebooted to the into the setup screen, and you need to just set up your phone back again like it was brand new. You need to remember, although, that there is something called Google FRP, and you need to just log into the same account that was previously logged in on this device. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.